functions. Measures to conserve energy. Energy conservation is a good measure the government conserve energy. Several countries apply energy as a carbon tax on energy users. These tax will certainly put pressure on energy users to reduce their energy consumption. Building design plays a big role in energy conservation. An excellent way to conserve energy is by performing an energy audit in buildings. Energy audit refers to inspection and analysis of energy used in a building. Another important way of energy conservation is by using energy efficient products. Energy efficient products are those that use lesser energy than their normal counterparts. In conclusion, energy conservation must be among the most priorities of humanity. Mahatma Gandhi was absolutely right when he said, "The earth produces enough to satisfy every man's need, but not every man's greed." This statement pretty much sums up the importance of energy conservation. Immediate implementation of energy conservation measure is certainly of paramount importance. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Vishal. Do you know how many words are there in an English dictionary? About 171,776 words. So, learning a word every day increases our knowledge. Now, I would like to invite Master Fahad to state a word.
Good morning everyone. Today's word of the day is kinetic energy, meaning energy which a body possesses by virtue of being in motion. Sentence: a large ball may not fall faster than a small one, but it has no amount of kinetic energy. I repeat, kinetic energy, spelling K-I-N-E-T-I-C-E-N-E-R-E-Y, meaning energy which a body possesses by virtue of being in motion. Sentence: a large ball may not fall faster than a small one, but it has more amount of kinetic energy. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you for that. A poem begins in July and ends in wisdom. Ahmed Ali is here to vocalize his poem.
Good morning. Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm saving energy, so we are in you. I turn off the light and do it right. I turn off the television because I have a vision that one day our earth will have a rebirth. It won't be the same if we put earth in shame. It will be clean by all means. If we recycle, we continue that cycle. If our natural resources continue to shrink, then our economy will really stink. What will happen when we ruin our air? We will all be in deep despair. We will say it's not fair, but we were the one who didn't care. So don't slow down, make the earth frown, continue to save, and don't dig your own grave. Roses are red, violets are blue. I'm saving energy, so we are in due. Thank you.
People forget stories, but they remember its facts. Are you excited to know some interesting facts about energy? Don't worry, Master Sinan is here.
Assalamu alaikum and a very pleasant morning to one and all. I, Sinan, stand before you to deliver a few facts on energy conservation. 48 people riding bike for 24 hours can generate the power to run a TV for a week. The energy it takes to conduct 10 searches on Google could power a 60-watt light bulb. While much about pollution and carbon dioxide burn is blamed on industrialism, more than 1/5 of the world's energy is used for transport. About 30% of the energy used in commercial and industrial buildings is used inefficiently or unnecessarily. Placing lamps or TV sets near your room air conditioning. Thermostat can cause the air conditioner to run longer than necessary because the thermostat senses heat from the appliances. Set them apart and save energy. Laptops use up to 85% less electricity than desktop PCs. Only 5% of the power drawn by a phone charger is used to charge the phone. So remember to turn it off when you are done. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Sinan. The news are the greater treasure to the people than uncounted millions of gold. Now here are our 8 reporters myself Vinod and Amazidan to keep us updated with the news.
Today's news headlines are international news. US 6 including police officers killed in New Jersey shooting. Abhijit Banerjee and Esther Duflo received the Nobel Prize. Saudi flight trainers are grounded in aftermath of Pensacola shooting. Now I'm ready to bring Amazidan to see some headlines on national and sports news.
National news. Maharashtra IPS officers judge over communal unconstitutional CAB. Government has no data on minorities. Government has no data on minorities who face religious persuasion. Ghulam Nabi Azad. Andhra colleges bid for land conservation with QR codes. Hundreds of children pledged to act for cleaner air at first Good Air Summit in New Delhi. Sports news. Salah is only battered by Messi in incredible Champions League. Cristiano Ronaldo scored a brace as Juventus beat Udinese by 3-1. Now set this year as a weather and as ISL reporter.
Weather report. Jeddah maximum 21 degrees Celsius, minimum 24 degrees Celsius. Riyadh maximum 24 degrees Celsius, minimum 13 degrees Celsius. Dammam maximum 24 degrees Celsius, minimum 14 degrees Celsius. Kerala maximum 34 degrees Celsius, minimum 21 degrees Celsius. Hyderabad maximum 30 degrees Celsius, minimum 16 degrees Celsius. ISJ News. Sports Day will be held on 18th of December. Busway Hockey will be held on 19th of December. Thank you and have a pleasant day.
Here, ABC presents a short role play to motivate the students to preserve energy.
What are you doing? It stings. What a bad smell.
I'm preparing slurry.
Slurry. What is slurry?
Slurry is mainly made with cow dung, vegetable waste and biodegradable waste produced in my house, mixed with water.
What are its uses?
We put the slurry in the biogas plant. After a few days, biogas is produced.
Biogas. What is biogas?
I am biogas. I contain gases like methane, carbon dioxide, and hydrogen. I am an excellent fuel. I leave no residue while burning. The slurry left behind contains nitrogen and phosphorus, enhance our great manure. It is a good idea.
Resources are very useful. As they are getting limited, they are getting expensive.
No, we need to look alternate source of energy.
What are alternate sources of energy?
I am the great source of energy. I am used to generate electricity. I had a farm of mine.
I am solar energy. I am a renewable source of energy. The whole world depends upon me. I have got solar cells which convert my energy into electricity. People also use solar cooker to cook food.
I am geothermal energy. My energy is derived from the earth few kilometers below the surface of the earth. I'm a renewable source of energy. I'm also a clean energy because I do not produce greenhouse gases.
I am tidal energy. I am a useful form of energy. I am eco-friendly and do not produce greenhouse gases. I do not require any kind of fuel to run. The efficiency of my power is far greater compared to wind, solar, and coal energy.
I am hydro energy. I am fueled by water. So I am green source of energy. I am not expensive. I can produce large amount of energy as thermal power produces.
I am nuclear energy. I am produced by nuclear
reactor by controlling the nuclear fusion. I produce electricity at a large scale.
These are the ultimate sources of energy, which help us to overcome the energy crisis. So let us use them judiciously, and our contribution can help us in the mighty crisis of energy conservation.
Mummy ho ya papa ho, ya mama ki amma ho, सबको खाएंगे, बिजली हम बचाएंगे, बत्ती पंखा गीजर हो, एसी हो या हीटर हो, कभी न छोड़ेंगे, लेबर हो या टीचर हो, अकल से और मेहनत से और पूरी हिम्मत से सबको हम सिखाएंगे, बिजली हम बचाएंगे, बिजली हम बचाएंगे।
जवानों, जहाँ बिजली वेस्ट हो रही है वही अपनी बैटलफील्ड है। तो बिजली बचाओ, देश बनाओ। Speech from great leaders is like a medicine. A small dose of which cures, but an excess kills.
We now invite our most admirable headmistress, Mrs. Naeem Fatima, to enunciate her views.
Good morning, boys. First of all, let us applaud for the wonderful assembly at 86 Standard. It's just not an assembly. It's a wonderful learning experience that they have given us by showing us the different ways of energy conservation. So when is the Energy Conservation Day celebrated? 14 December. I'm very happy, boys, that you all listen very carefully and you remember things that is going on in the assembly. Now this topic is of great concern for us. Why is it of great concern for us? Because it is related to our life. So many things are related to our life. Why do you think this topic has become very important for us, boys? Because we are depleting or depending on the energy resources which are exhaustible, and we have to now think of judicious ways of using the alternative sources of energy that they just suggested. Solar energy, tidal energy, geothermal energy, nuclear energy, and so on. And moreover, we have to aim for conservation because we have to think about the future generations to come. We cannot be greedy. We cannot think of ourselves. We have to think about the future generation. Now this Energy Conservation Day should give you one message that should start from your home. Do you know that charity begins at home? Boys, do you know charity begins at home? Start energy conservation from home, then school, your classroom. So use it very wisely so that you contribute to the conservation. Many a times, you all leave the classrooms with the lights on, AC on, fans running. Are you contributing to the conservation of energy? No, you are not. So what should you do? What should you do? When you come out, the last boy who comes out should switch off everything in the class.
and close the door. You all leave like that and go, and when I'm going around, I switch off everything and close your doors. So you should do it yourself because you're all citizens, global citizens, and you have to contribute towards each and everything that will bring about a positive change in the environment, contributing to environment protection and energy conservation. So once again, clap for these boys. Every boy who took part in the assembly did their role very well. So congratulations to all the students of 86 and the class teacher for taking all the efforts. Now boys, coming to the school.